In this video, we're going to go over kind of a trick that will help you not abuse your power unit. So if your power unit is, let's say, a 65 amp machine, and this whole job, let's pretend, is 1/2 inch steel. That's a lot of cutting for a 65 amp machine. You're going to be running it basically wide open. And in doing so, there is a possibility that you could damage your machine. So you want to give it time to take a break in between part to part. So a real quick and easy way to do that is to select manual, turn your max velocity down essentially until it doesn't interfere with the cut speed. Let's just say it's like 30-40 inches, something like that. You want to turn this down and you'll watch your machine slow down the rapid travel speed, and basically on the travel from one part to the next, it will go very slow to the next part and start cutting. Another way a guy can do it is to go into sheet cam, find the tool, 65 amp 1/2 inch steel, open it, and then create a very long pause after the tool. After it's going to operate. Pause at the end of the cut. You can change that to 20 seconds, and it will then wait 20 seconds and move to the next part and then cut. And in doing so, it's a way that you can essentially step aside from the machine and allow it to do its work and not have to pause it and allow your power unit to rest.